Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change the video playback speed on Windows Media Player guys for any media. Let's jump straight into it. You just want to open the video guys. Open it and right click on inside of it, and here is the option guys, enhancement, and you just want to click on play speed settings. Click on it, and here is option guys, slow, normal, fast. Here is three options. Just click on it. This will, normal means 1 is normal, fast is 1.4, slow is 0.5. You can change this speed to whatever here option is, and 1 is normal guys, you just need to note it. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.